Hey guys, TikTok Lite here. I'll be teaching you how to download TikTok Lite. So to download TikTok Lite right here, all we need to do is open up. If you're using like iOS, open up your App Store. So once you open up your App Store, just type in the search TikTok Lite. Easiest chat. Once you open it, you just go right there and type in TikTok Lite. If you're using Play Store like me, all you need to do is go to the search. Press the search. After pressing the search right there, need to click on the there, then click and then type on TikTok Lite. There we go. TikTok Lite. After typing down TikTok Lite, so here is I'll be teaching you. Wow, where's the TikTok Lite right there? There we go. You see a TikTok right there, but there's like a lightning bolt on the top left corner of their logo. Press on that. After pressing on that, you will see TikTok Lite, save data, and fast. Press on install. After pressing on install right there you go. Now it will now download. So wait for it. So once it's fully installed, it will show that it is installed. Right now it's pending because it's waiting for my download. My phone is a little bit slow, but when sometimes it can go fast. But depending on your internet connection and your phone as well. But there you go. So once it reaches 100%, your TikTok Lite will now be downloaded. All you need to do is open it up. After opening it up, there you go. So yeah, that's a go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more question concerns, type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.